If you're seeing Krita error code 3 or the message process exited with code 3, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a missing file, a broken path, or a background process that Krita can't finish properly. In today's video, I'll show you what this error means, when it happens, and the fastest ways to fix it so you can get back to working in Krita without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and creative app tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, it helps to understand what error code 3 actually means. In simple terms, Krita tried to start a task, but something important was missing or unreadable. That could be a file location, a temporary frame folder, a plugin dependency, or even a system library that Krita needs in order to run correctly. So instead of completing the task, the program stops and shows that code 3 message. Now, if this error happens while rendering an animation or exporting a time-lapse, the issue is often related to FFmpeg or the temporary frame files Krita creates during the render process. In many cases, FFmpeg exits with code 3 because it cannot find the image frames it was supposed to use, or because there is a version mismatch between the encoder and your system. The first thing to check is whether the output folder exists and whether Krita actually generated the image frames where you expected them. Open your render settings and look carefully at the output path. Make sure the folder exists, make sure you have permission to write to it, and make sure there are no strange characters in the file path that could confuse the encoder. If you're rendering to a folder on an external drive, network drive, or synced cloud folder, try switching to a simple local folder on your desktop or documents directory. A very common cause of code 3 is a drive path that looks correct but is temporarily unavailable. Next, if you're exporting a video, try changing the container format. This is one of the simplest tests you can do. If your render format is set to MP4, switch the container format to Matroska or MKV and try the export again. MP4 can be more sensitive to codec and framework issues, while MKV is often more forgiving. If MKV works but MP4 fails, that usually points to a compatibility problem with the MP4 encoder or the system components Krita is using. If that does not solve the issue, check whether your FFmpeg installation or render backend is properly installed and up to date. Sometimes Krita can trigger code 3 because the encoder plugin or dependency it relies on is outdated or incompatible. Updating Krita to the latest version is a smart next step, because fixes for rendering and export issues are often included in newer releases. Also, if you recently updated your graphics drivers, restarted the computer, or changed your file paths, try again after a clean reboot. Now let's talk about the startup version of this error, especially on Windows. If Krita won't launch at all, and you see a missing file warning along with error code 3, the issue may not be your project at all. In that case, your system may be missing required Windows libraries that Krita depends on. One of the most common fixes is to reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package. To do that, go to the official Microsoft support page and download the latest Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio. Install it, restart your computer, and then try opening Krita again. This can replace missing or damaged system files that Krita needs in order to start normally. If the error was caused by a broken Windows component, this step often fixes it immediately. Another thing to check is whether a plugin, custom script, or third-party asset is causing the problem. If Krita started showing code 3 after you installed something new, try disabling that add-on and relaunching the app. A plugin that depends on a missing file or incompatible version can cause the same kind of failed process error. It's also a good idea to test with a brand new blank document so you can confirm whether the problem is tied to one specific project or affecting Krita globally. If you still can't fix it, try resetting your Krita configuration carefully or temporarily, moving your workspace settings out of the way so Krita can rebuild them. Corrupted settings can sometimes make background tasks fail, especially if the program is trying to reference a path that no longer exists. Just make sure to back up your important brushes, presets, and custom settings before making bigger changes. So to recap, Krita error code 3 usually points to one of 3 things: a missing file or broken path, a rendering or FFmpeg issue, or a missing Windows dependency like Visual C++ Redistributable. Start by checking your file locations, then test MKV instead of MP4, and if Krita won't open, reinstall the required Microsoft runtime libraries. Those steps solve the majority of cases. If this video helped you troubleshoot Krita error code free, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and creative software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.